have added the filter of the census block as well, and in that I have chose only Florida state. And if you see these block wise small green dots, those are the population. If I just click on this green dot, I could see the total population is 26 when aggregating this block with the 4 adjacent block. And inside that also you can see different classification of race and ethnicity, how many percent of people are living there, total housing units, how much housing units are there. That means only 89.7% houses are full. The rest of the around 11% house are empty. And now we're gonna do the analysis in this area. Here we have to if we wanted to extract this data set, we can just go to the analysis tab, then go to the manage tab, and then extract the data set. If you wanted to just extract the hospital data set, you can do that. Or if you wanted to, that's, I'm not very sure like how this thing's gonna add it here, but I think when you do the analysis, this kind of a data set automatically creates, because in the previously I have done one analysis and with that the hospital, that's why the inside the managed data you can see the trauma level, one more data set is there. So whenever you gonna before doing any analysis, try to save the this page, because when you have created the new one, and here I'm gonna add the new one with the giving a title of capstone project 1.0, and you have to save the map. If you don't give the tags, and those are fine. Now I'm gonna try to do the analysis, and here we are gonna use the proximity analysis, because the rest of the analysis we are not concerned yet. I mean to say, according to our project, we need the proximity. Inside that we wanted to create the buffers. So here we wanted to choose first from the blocks, like people are going how much miles they can walk. So here I'm gonna add the 5 mile, and here that is the distance will show, like if they wanted to go by walking, how much area is there. You can choose feet, then kilometers, meters if you want. Then I'm gonna, here you can see how many credit gonna shows. So for the students, they are giving 200 credits, so out of that it's 1.087 credit gonna use for this analysis. So if you wanted to change something, you can do that as well. So total population of the miles, I mean to say, like here you can see the field wise, and here you can see the distance. So here I am concerned with the distance right now, so I'm gonna add that. If you wanted to add more options, like how much you want, or you wanted to dissolve that area or overlap that area, you can do that. But if I'm taking the dissolved this one, because even something overlap, I don't want to see how much people can if you don't want to do that, you can choose the overlap. Let's do that one first. So I'm gonna run this analysis. This will gonna take a little time, because when it is running the analysis, it's run on the, I think, onlinely completely. When you do in your laptop as well, when you're gonna add the ArcGIS Pro as a different software, you can do that as well in your computer. But right now I'm going to do online.